Hello everybody, it's back. I'm back. It's Trinity King. What's up? Well, I was walking around with my cat. Sector, say what? Hi, my name is Sector, and I am their cat, and I have a very good home. Oh, thank you. He's my baby. Oh, yeah. By the way, if you embarrass me, my grandpa is really, really strong. He knows karate, and I ain't joking. And, by the way, I'm poor. So, who cares? At least I have a roof over my head. And I have nice clothes, shoes. And at least I'm living a life. And at least I get $30 a month. That's just for allowance. And I only do like a couple chores. And I bet you ain't making that much money a month. Well, here I'm going to set my phone up to see what this noise is. Okay. Bye. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. I'm back. Do you guys know what that was? I have no idea. I was just in my room right there. I'm not joking. That's my bedroom right there. And that's the bedroom door. Hold on, I'll show you. That's my bedroom door, right? Yeah, guys. Well, that's my bedroom door. That's literally what I just came out of. Okay, I'm gonna watch this and see what it was. It sounded like something just getting mad and just starting to throw stuff constantly. Was that what it was? Let me know. Let me know down below. Peace.